Welcome to this video. In light of the cancelled events across the nation during the coronavirus pandemic, this video has been created for those who had hoped to attend the industry launch of the Waterwise Irrigation Programs in the Bunbury region in March 2020. The purpose of this video is to introduce the Waterwise Garden Irrigator Program and how Waterwise Endorsement might assist irrigation businesses. Irrigation Australia is pleased to be working towards rolling out the Waterwise programs in the Bunbury region with the support of the local water utility Aquest. So, what is the Waterwise Garden Irrigator Program? It's a self-study endorsement program raising the professionalism of the irrigation industry in the domestic or home garden market. The training contained in the programs is based on best practice guidelines for the installation of domestic garden watering systems and have been operational and highly successful in Western Australia since 2004. As mentioned, there are two Waterwise programs, and today we'll be focusing on the Waterwise Garden Irrigator Program, which was created for irrigation installers and contractors. And this can include landscapers, gardeners, or anybody providing irrigation services to their customers. The second program is the Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop Program for specialist irrigation retail shops, focusing on providing training for staff at counter level who provide irrigation design services and provide advice to the community. So how do you achieve and then maintain Waterwise Garden Irrigator endorsement? There are 6 easy steps which we'll go through in more detail in a moment. First, read the program guidelines to ensure that you meet program criteria. Second, complete an online application and process payment. Third, undertake study and assessments. A period of 8 to 12 weeks is generally allowed, but this time frame can be extended or fast-tracked depending on individual needs. Step 4, once completed and endorsement is achieved, members are expected to carry out works in alignment with the Waterwise principles. Step 5, if requested, submit jobs for random audits annually. We'll expand on this in a moment. And step 6, commit to ongoing professional development. The training. Applicants are supplied with training manuals in electronic format to study at their own pace at their convenient time. Manuals include technical specifications, irrigation design, and principles to be followed for an irrigation system to qualify as Waterwise. We generally allow a period of 6 to 8 weeks for the study phase, but again, this can be extended or shortened depending on the participant's day-to-day business. When the applicants have sufficiently studied the manuals, we move on to assessments. These are conducted online using a training platform called Moodle. These assessments can be undertaken at any time on any computer or laptop connected to the internet, but we don't recommend the use of smaller smart devices for this, as there are several questions involving diagrams which might be difficult to view on a small screen. All questions are multiple choice. The assessments are broken down into sections relating to the various topics within the manuals. This means they can be completed over several days or weeks. Again, we generally allow a period of 2 to 4 weeks for this assessment phase, but that can be extended or shortened if required. 100% mark must be achieved on each section before moving on to the next section. Here is an example of one section within the assessments. As you can see, these are multiple choice yes or no questions in this section. Assessments can be attempted at any time of the day, but Irrigation Australia staff are available to assist during business hours if there are any queries or difficulties experienced. Once assessments have been completed, the applicant is endorsed as a Waterwise Garden Irrigator. A unique ID number is assigned and displayed on endorsement certificate and ID card. Waterwise Garden Irrigators are provided with electronic logos and resources to assist in marketing their business. Logos can be displayed on materials such as business cards or company invoices and email signatures as displayed here, as well as company websites or any other online or printed advertising as a point of difference in the marketplace. A number of Waterwise decal stickers are provided and can be displayed on company vehicles or trailers. Endorsed Waterwise Garden Irrigators are actively promoted by Irrigation Australia at every opportunity. For example, on the waterwiseprograms.com.au website, on the Waterwise Irrigation Programs Facebook and LinkedIn pages, promotion at community events such as gardening shows and festivals. There will be digital advertising or newspaper advertising to encourage the use of endorsed Waterwise businesses. Irrigation Australia also has printed resources which are distributed to the community. All endorsed members are provided with quantities of our extremely popular sprinkler runtime flyers. You'll see that one side of the flyer is a promotion of the Waterwise members, whilst the other side is a valuable tool in educating the community to set their sprinkler runtimes based on their sprinkler type. These flyers are distributed to the community through local water utilities, local irrigation retail outlets, and at community events. We encourage members to distribute these throughout their community. Why not pop one into each letterbox on the street of a call out and make sure to attach a business card? All members are supplied with stock of printed controller cards. These come in packs of 50 and should be completed at each job where the irrigation controller has been programmed. Leave this in the irrigation controller box or add to customer handover packs for their future reference. This is a screenshot of the Waterwise Programs website. All advertising and promotion directs traffic to this site, which has been developed to make it as easy as possible for the community to locate a Waterwise business if they need help with their irrigation. And this is all done through the Waterwise Irrigation Search Directory. The Search Directory section allows the community to search for the Waterwise businesses within their desired locality parameters. Each individual listing includes some background information on each business, including contact details, social media and company website, services offered, and operating hours, and can be customised with images and logos. To maintain the integrity of the programs, audits are randomly conducted by an independent consultant. The auditor is provided with a checklist of points based on the guidelines contained in the Waterwise manuals. If a member is selected for audit, they are asked to put forward details of at least 2 sites where work has been carried out for possible inspection. A small number of members are selected at random each year for this. In addition to paying the annual membership fee, each member is asked to undertake at least one professional development task, or what we call a re-endorsement task, each year to maintain their status as an endorsed Waterwise Garden Irrigator. These tasks might include attendance at an eligible Irrigation Australia event. Irrigation Australia holds regular member breakfasts, site visits, training workshops, and both a state and national irrigation expo and conference every 2 years. If attending an in-person event isn't possible, a short online re-endorsement assessment is available as well. Having been successfully audited would also qualify as a re-endorsement activity. That concludes this brief presentation on the Waterwise Garden Irrigator Program. We thank you for your attention. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact the WA Office of Irrigation Australia on these details. If you believe this program could benefit your business, please head to our website, waterwiseprograms.com.au, and select the Become Waterwise tab to download the program guidelines and lodge an online application. Thank you.